What do we really know about the invisible women in our lives? They wash our clothes, sweep our floors, know us better than we know ourselves, sometimes more than we'd like to admit. How often do we reach out into their lives, the way they seamlessly move in and out of ours? Do we dare to look outside of our self-involved lives? But one momentary interaction can remind even an aging narcissist that there's life outside of our own. Rich tapestry of stories, tragedy, resilience. I want to write a new story. The story of a woman, softly spoken, unremarkable, but with a dignity of strength I haven't often seen. Who's taken knock after knock, but finds the strength to get back up. A woman I'd like to call a friend. To a younger man, maybe even more. Who's seen the worst of heartbreak, but who has resolved to live with the best of hearts and make the right decisions, always. What will happen to this woman when the world around her is in chaos?